So I found a lot of value in the presentation tonight, as well as from the words. They actually hit pretty close to home for me because I grew up in a very similar situation. I think the key word was persistence, always moving forward, never backward, and I think that's the most value, not just in his message, but that we can take with us for every single scenario of our life. My biggest breakthrough from hearing the presentation was taking perseverance and continue moving forward. As a business owner and entrepreneur, sometimes it's easy to throw in the towel, but moving forward and never backwards, and just keeping on, even when everybody says it's not going to work, just keep moving forward. If someone asked me why Y.B.Normal should be brought in to speak, to have interaction with the school or any other function, I would say if you want to see real change in your community, if you want to see someone who's been there, done that, then this is where you need to start. If you want to see your children go from A to B, I believe Y.B.Normal is the best place to go.